Alright, today we're fitting the Hilux single cab, which is its own unique design seat, integrated headrests, slim back to fit just the Hilux single cab itself. When ordering Hilux seat covers, like all models, give the full details, because the space cab seat covers has different seats in the front and rear. The dual cab has 3 different front seats and 2 different rear seats. So it's really critical that we order correctly. Thanks for start fitting. This style of Hilux seat has an integrated headrest. It's not removable, so the seat cover's been designed around that. It also is a one piece where it joins in the middle. Again, we see some of the ones have tails. This has 2 Velcro straps front to back. It's got 2 because there's allowances under the seat for it. The ones that we put 1 in or a tail, again, as we say, every seat's designed to suit the seat that it's supposed to fit. So we've read the instructions. Yep, single cab, there's one fitted. Go to fit the drivers. Drivers is on the tag. It's an airbag compatible seat cover. All right, let's fit him. We slide over the top. Give it a bit of adjustment as you're going. Don't be too shy with adjusting the seat cover. They're an industrial canvas seat cover. They're designed to be rough. All right, we have tails along the side borders. This pokes towards the back and we'll wrap around and we'll touch onto the backrest of this one. Some of them touch onto the base. Again, everyone's different. Just have a look at the design and see how we go. While we've got it up, we poke the 2 straps through to the back. And we'll grab them ones in a sec after we've half fitted this seat cover. Okay. So the side tail pokes through the back towards the back of the seat. And what we'll do is we'll slide the seat forward in a second. This one here moves around your recliner backrest lever. And clears that. Again, we're trying to line the seat up where you think it belongs. Tuck the seat cover in as far as you get. Give it a hand. Slide the seat forward to get access to the rear. Again, that's all we've got. We have a protective flap. Reach in behind it, pull your Velcros forward. Don't pull too hard on the Velcros. They're stitched in. They're not made out of steel, the Velcro. They're just there to assist the front and back movement on the seat cover. Align them forward to catch the front Velcros, which we'll get in a sec. Oh, there's a wheel brace under there, so a little bit of movement. So pull the side around, undo the back, the side flap comes around, pretty hard to see in there. And then the backrest comes down and meets up onto it, same as this one here. Here's a better shot. Velcro flap around there. Remember a guide, this is the single cab. Some go to the side trim, some have the backrest go under. Each one, look at where they touch. Readjust the seat cover. Slide the seat back. And we're reaching our hand under. Not that I can show you this. The front Velcro will meet onto the back Velcro. You can hear the noise it's making. That one's on. A little bit of a contortionist to get under there. But again, they're not designed to be just looked at, throw in the door. You have to fit the seat covers for them to stay on better. And here we go, the second strap. All right, so fitting in, nice line at the front. As you compress into there, that'll settle in. Headrest looks good. Single cab Hilux, integrated headrest.